Hello, in this video, we will solve a real-life consulting guesstimate using a structured framework. So the question statement for today is, estimate the total number of cigarettes consumed in India in one day. I will walk you through how to structure this problem, make logical assumptions, and convert them into a clear business estimates. So let's begin. But before we deep dive into our structure, let me clarify the scope, the thing we discussed about clarifying the equation. So here is the scope. We are talking about only manufactured cigarettes, not BDs or other tobacco products like hookahs which are consumed in India on a regular basis. Also, we need a single day snapshot covering the entire country, both urban and rural India. Now let's see how do we approach this. Now I'm going to walk you through a structured approach. So the total smokers or the total cigarettes which are being smoked in India in one day is basically a multiplication of total smokers in India and their frequency of consumption. That is, how many cigarettes each smoker smokes in one day. So we will divide our formula into two segments. We will estimate the total smokers and the frequency of consumption separately. For the total smokers, I will start at the top with the India's total population. Then I will filter for the legal smoking age, that is people 18 and above. Next, I will segment by gender because smoking rates differ significantly between males and females in India. And within each gender, I will further divide them into urban and rural population because again, the consumption patterns vary. For each segment, I will estimate the smoking percentage rate, that is, what percentage actually smokes cigarettes, and this will give us the total smoker population. Once I have the total smoker population, I will create a frequency segments. I will divide them into four segments, which will be high frequency smokers, medium frequency smokers, low frequency smokers, and rare smokers. Each group consumes a different number of cigarettes per day. Finally, I will multiply smokers by their daily consumption to get the total number of cigarettes consumed in one day. Now, let me state my assumptions explicitly. I will start with the population, which is currently 1.4 billion, and the age filter would be 25% of Indians are below 18, which I will exclude. The gender split is 50% for both male and females, and urban rural split is approximately 40% for urban and 60% for rural. I have taken these numbers to make the math simple. In reality, these numbers might vary. My second key assumptions is the smoking percentage. So for the urban males, I'm assuming 10% of the total population smokes cigarettes. Among rural males, my assumption is 6% of the population smokes cigarettes. Among the rural females, this number is nearly zero. And for urban females, the assumption is around 5%. Now remember, we are talking about only manufactured cigarettes here. If we will include other tobacco products like BDs or hookahs, this percentage might vary. Among these segment, if we talk about the segment-wise frequency, for high-frequency smoker, my assumption is they smoke around 2 packs or 20 cigarettes per day. For medium-frequency smoker, my assumption is they smoke around 10 cigarettes per day. For low-frequency smokers, the assumption is 2 to 3 cigarettes per day or on an average 2.5 cigarettes per day. And for rare smokers, my assumption is they smoke 1 cigarette in 3 days. Now let's do some math. Starting with the population, which is 1.4 billion or 1400 million people, first I will remove 25%, that is who are actually under 18. So 25% of 1.4 billion is approximately 350 million. This leaves us with 1050 million adults, which I will round off to around 1000 million or 1 billion to make calculations easier. Now, dividing these equally by gender gives us 500 million males and 500 million females, which is simple so far. Now, let's see who actually smokes. Let me break down our smoking population using this table. So, for the urban males, which we calculated 500 million in total, and 40% of 500 million are the urban males, so 200 million population. Among them, our assumption was 10% smoke cigarettes, so 10% of 200 million is 20 million. For rural males, 60% of 500 million males, that is 300 million in number, our assumption was 6 to 7%, so which translates to again 20 million smokers. For urban females, which were 40% of 500 million total females or 200 million in number, our assumption was 5% smoke cigarettes, so approximately 10 million. And for rural females, our assumption was nearly 0%, so 0 million from this segment. If we calculate the total number of smokers, we will get 50 million smokers in India. Now, not all smoker consumes the same amount, so let's segment by frequency. So here's where behavioral segmentation comes in. Not all smokers are created equal. For high frequency smoker, who are about 10% of the total, that is 10% of 50 million, comes out to be 5 million. For medium frequency smokers, the assumption is they constitute 30% of the total 50 million or 15 million in number. For low frequency smokers, again they constitute 30% or 15 million in number, and the leftover are the rare smokers who are again the 30% or again 15 million in number. Now, if we calculate in terms of cigarettes consumed, so for high frequency, our assumption was they consume 20 cigarettes per day. So for 5 million smokers with consumption of 20 cigarettes per day, that translate into 100 million cigarettes from this segment alone. For medium frequency, or 15 million in number, the assumption was they smoke 10 cigarettes per day. That translates to 150 million cigarettes from this segment. For low frequency, the assumption was 2.5 cigarettes per day. With 15 million smokers, that translates to 37.5 million. And for rare smokers who smokes once in 3 days, or 30% of them smokes in 1 day, and that to one cigarette, for 15 million, that translates into 15 million multiplied by 0.3 comes out to be 4.5 million. Now, if we add these up, we get our final answer. So, with the drum rolls, we get 300 million cigarettes consumed in India in 1 day. Now, let's do a sanity check. So, for 300 million cigarettes, if we divide by 50 million smokers, which gives us 6 cigarettes per smoker per day. Now, that seems reasonable given our mix of heavy, medium, light, and rare smokers. Annually, this works out to be around 110 billion cigarettes, which aligns quite well with the industry data on India's tobacco market. So I'm confident that this answer 300 million cigarettes daily is our final estimate. So for today, this was the case, and in the next video, we will look into something more forward looking and a little complex. So thank you and have a nice